wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Kids, we are going to learn to count and learn some basic math, like adding and subtracting. Shall we give it a try? But first, let's start with the basics of counting. Noah, take it away.
So, let's start counting. Right there, we have 4 purple blocks. 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you say that too? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 purple blocks. So, up front here, we can do some more counting. These green blocks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's look at the red blocks. Okay, so right over there we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So now how about we do the orange ones? So those are a 4 block set. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, so we have 6 of a 4 block set. So do you see the yellow ones over there? The yellow ones, we only have 4 individual pieces. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Blue is my favorite color. I'm wearing a blue shirt, I have blue eyes, and those are the blue blocks. So let's count them, okay? Are you gonna help me? So let's start. Of the individual blocks right in the front, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, we've got 8 of them.
Okay, kids. Now that we've learned how to count, let's try to learn how to add. Let's start simple. You see behind me on the board? You can follow along. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. How does that work? Well, let's look. I have these 2 balls, and if I add 2 more balls, that makes 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes! Okay, so let's see. What if I have 3 plus 1? That equals 4 again. Yes, you got it. Okay, let's do one more. This is going to be a hard one, so get ready. I got 3 balls and 2 balls. So that's 3 plus 2. And what does it equal? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2. Oh, that's 5! Yes, you got it, kids! Now, should we try subtracting? Subtracting is the opposite of adding, right? And that means we are taking something away. So with our last example, if we have 5 balls and take away 2 balls, then how many do we have left? 3! Exactly! Let's try another one. 3 minus 2. What does that equal? That's 1! Exactly! We only have 1 ball left! Okay, another hard one. 1 minus 1. Oh, you're right, that's an easy one. Because that's 0, isn't it? Yeah, we have no balls left. And since we have no balls left, I would say that's it for today's lesson. Try this at home. You can use balls or any other objects you want to use. So practice your math skills, because this is something you will use all your life. I promise. Have a great counting day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice? 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice? 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice? 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice?
If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.